Hello! All right, we got Hokies in the house. We've got Hoda in the house. So we're going to New York, and I'm, on the train, and I'm, medical boot fashions, medical boot accessories. Where can I go in New York, fashion capital of the world, to find something to make this boot look better? And there's nothing. And the light bulbs go off, and my husband looks at me, he's like, oh, here we go again. Well, poor Bonnie, who met me a year ago, didn't know that she had walked into a Category 5 hurricane, because I think really big and I work really fast.
But what I didn't realize, and some of you guys might be in the same boat, I created a whole new space in the marketplace. Nobody had ever done this before. So I had to convince people that they needed to decorate their medical boots. And we mortgaged the house for this. So if I didn't sell it, we were in really big trouble.
So I want you guys to think about, what is your boot? What makes you different? We're gonna talk about niching in a few minutes, but that's how you're gonna stand out.
I'm so excited to be here today to share with you guys how easy it is to become an influencer in your industry.
A show of hands, how many people here believe in their heart of hearts that they can accomplish absolutely anything they want to do? How many people?
Okay, at the end you're all gonna have your hands up.
You have to believe that you are the greatest.
And I am such a firm believer that no one is as passionate about your business or your cause as you are. You can sell it better than anybody can.
They said, Christina, we thought you were nuts. But every time you came in here, you're like, yeah, flowers and medical boots, this is the greatest thing ever. This is $1 billion industry. And everybody drank the Kool-Aid. The journalists move around. So when I first started, I was, trying to get any media I could, and I think she was writing for a blog or just a small something, had written a story about me. So 2 weeks ago, she said, Christina, I'm with Forbes now, and I love your story. I pitched it to my editor, she loves it too. So I'm gonna be in Forbes magazine. Woo! Building relationships.
But very easily become a thought leader based on who you're hanging out with. Who is gonna, push you into the limelight. You just want to get your knowledge out there for people to see, so they start to recognize you as that thought leader and an expert in your industry.
So I told you guys I was on the Steve Harvey show. I sold over 6 figures the day that I was on. So I'm like, well, how do I get back on the Steve Harvey show, right? This is a good gig. Well, I saw Diana Ross was in a medical booth. So I Googled Diana Ross's publicist, and I got her to wear the product. So I'm like, well, maybe Steve Harvey would be interested in that. Like $1 million endorsement, I sent 1 email. So I want you guys to think about stuff like this. You can swim out there, you can get out the biggest wave, and you can ride the PR wave. Because as I mentioned, there's power in this. It's authority, it's credibility, it's visibility.
I want you to have logos on your website. This is so powerful. Because what is anybody going to do before they work with you? They're going to look you up. They are going to Google you. That's what's so important. Your digital footprint is so important.
So another mantra that we kind of share with business is just ask, right? The worst anyone's going to say is no.
Yeah.
We all can handle no now, right? Piece of cake.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid with anything that you do in life. The worst you're going to get is a no. I'm going to give you PR tips, but these are life tips. They're business tips. I mean, I hope you get a lot out of these, not just from the publicity.